Amazon Redshift is a fully managed, scalable cloud data warehouse service. Thousands of customers rely on Amazon Redshift to analyze data from terabytes to petabytes and run complex analytical queries. Amazon Redshift is natively integrated with AWS services, database, and machine learning services. It provides efficient storage and optimum query performance through a combination of massively parallel processing, columnar data storage, and data compression encoding schemes. Now, let's look at the key components of the Amazon Redshift architecture. Client applications. You can connect your client applications to Amazon Redshift clusters over Java Database Connectivity, JDBC, Python, and Open Database Connectivity, ODBC, connections. A cluster contains one or more compute nodes. If a cluster has two or more compute nodes, a leader node is used to manage communications between the compute nodes and client applications. The leader node receives queries from a client application and distributes work to the compute nodes. Compute nodes perform parallel computing to run queries. The nodes send intermediate results back to the leader node for final aggregation. A compute node is partitioned into slices. The slices work in parallel to complete an operation. A cluster contains one or more databases. Here are the key benefits. Analyzes all your data. Amazon Redshift helps break through data silos. You can get real-time insights and predictive analytics on all your data across your operational databases, data lake, data warehouse, and third-party datasets in just a few clicks. No data movement or transformation is needed. Price performance at any scale. Using RA3, Amazon Redshift instances, you can gain up to 3 times better price performance than other cloud data warehouses. Amazon Redshift can run up to 10 times faster than other enterprise cloud data warehouses. By using Advanced Query Accelerator, AQA, a distributed and hardware-accelerated cache. Amazon Redshift concurrency scaling also supports virtually unlimited concurrent users and concurrent queries. Streamlined analytics for everyone. Amazon Redshift Serverless is a serverless option of Amazon Redshift that can run and scale analytics in seconds without the need to configure and manage data warehouse infrastructure. Using Query Editor version 2, you can visualize query results in a single click, create schemas and tables, load data visually, and browse database objects. Most secure and compliant. Amazon Redshift provides comprehensive data security to satisfy the most demanding requirements at no extra cost. It supports built-in identity management and federation for single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, end-to-end encryption, and role-based access control. Amazon Redshift also supports column-level access control, row-level security, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, and faster cluster resize.